The dishwasher still not installed yet. The fridge, we still have to change it. These are the rest of the things that are going to be needed. Like, I already bought the switches and some outlets. Like, for example, here, these outlets still have to be changed, these two. These light ones. That already got patched. These got to be changed still. That still has to be installed. Back here, it already has all the things on. And then this door still needs that too. This for the master room. I had bought a shelf, and I don't know, it didn't come, so I guess when I paid for it, they must have stood with it. I gotta check the receipt, see if they charged it. And then that outlet doesn't have electricity, that's why that light ain't on. And there's a whole bunch of outlets that don't work. Like none of these right here, none of this has electricity right here, just that one all the way over there. There's a few outlets that don't work. All the trims already on.